Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie unconventional bridal gele using our ashoke fabric. Measurement for this style is 55-45. We are making do with a 75 length of ashoke with 4 away. So you're going to make 6 to 7 pleats. Place slanty at the head because we are doing a V base. You get in the shorter hand. Now I just want to show for the person that asks how to cross. The shorter hand comes up, you're going to arrange the pleats properly. Now on the mannequin head, our shorter hand is at the right side of the mannequin head, you get. So you're going to arrange it properly to the end, not end as in the length to the width side. You're going to arrange it properly, then you repeat the same thing on the longer flap. Do you see what I'm doing? You're going to collect the pleats that you've made earlier, arrange it properly down, then your shorter hand comes on top while you're crossing. So watch carefully. Can you see what I did? Now also remember that before you cross, you're going to raise your fabric up. Did you see how it was? You raise it up when you cross, then you bring it down. That's that one that is at the back, you get. So now we go ahead to use that our shorter flap and complete our V. So watch carefully. Now on this particular flap, the previous one we made 6 to 7 pleats. We made 6 pleats. On this particular flap, you're going to make 7 pleats. Then you use the last one and pin to the base. So keep watching, watch carefully. Can you see what I'm doing? After we've pinned to the base, we are now going to make pleats on that extra fabric that is remaining on that shorter flap. You get, we have like 2 hours remaining, but I would advise if you want to make use of 3 hours to make your pleats, you would have to ensure that your base pleats are in 1 hour. You get, that's if you want to make your other pleats on 3 hours. You're going to, for your base pleats, you're going to make it on 1 hour, but for this one we are making our pleats on 2 hours. Can you see? So you can make your pleats sideways, or you make from up to down, or you make from down up. You get, anyone that is okay for you. Now you're going to arrange them properly all through that shorter flap. Now you're going to arrange the pleats properly. Now we are going to go ahead to secure it. We are going to twist it. So watch and see how I do it. Now after we are done covering it, did you see how we did it? We took the last one to cover all of them. You're now going to pin to the base and secure. You get, don't worry, we are going to come back and arrange the pleats properly. Now we go over to the longer flap and make 4 pleats and pin to the base. We are going to make 4 pleats first before we go ahead to make the other pleats. So keep watching. And now when you've made the 4 pleats, you're going to pin at the back and also pin at that space that we twisted or we wrapped the shorter flap. That's where you're going to pin to when you want to pin. Just watch and see what I'm doing. Can you see it? You pin into that twist to secure it. Now we go ahead to start making pleats on this other one. It's kind of like a V based round gele, but it's not a round gele as you can see. You get, so make your pleats properly and neatly. All of them should be equal. Oh. One should not be bigger than the other one. If not, you're going to lose some of the pleats. Now you're going to arrange it to the height that you want. For me, since the one coming from the shorter flap is not that long or it's not that high, I'm going to reduce the one coming from the longer flap a bit down so that it will be almost at the same height. You get, but that was why I said you can make do with 3 hour. That's for your pleats. And making do with 3 hour, that means you're going to make your pleats on just 1 hour, which means you're not going to add extra pleats for that your base. You get, if you made 6 on the left hand side, you're going to make 6 on the right hand side. Do you understand? Now we go ahead, after we've chosen or taken the height that we want, we go ahead to the back. Can you see? You take that last one and wrap. Please, you don't twist, if not it's going to bend. You just wrap it and pin to the base. You can pin as much as possible, like pin 2 to 3 times. You get. Now we come over to the front again to arrange properly and do finishing touches. We would have covered the back, but we need to arrange here the front part well to our taste before covering the back. So you're going to arrange, make finishing touches and pin where necessary. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, please do not forget to comment, like, share to people that are interested in gele tying, are interested in getting a skill in gele tying, share to them, and also drop a comment. I'm kind of like at a creator's block now, so I'll really appreciate if you drop a style for me to tie for you guys. Now after we are done arranging the pleats the way we want, you see that part that is up, we are going to tuck it in, like we're going to fold it inside so that it doesn't show and it's on the same frequencies, on the same length. Then we pin. So just watch and see how I did. We're like 80% done with our gele. Now we are going to arrange the back properly and pin, and we are done with our gele. You could open the back as I did, or you could cover the back. When you're just doing it, ensure that you're doing it neatly so that it's not just jaga jaga you get. So that is that for this gele style. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you watched up to this point, comment MVP in the comment section so that I'll thank you specially. We are done with our gele, guys. This is stunning. This is beautiful. You could try it on your clients or you could try it on anyone that requests for it. Bye, guys. I'll see you in my next one.